In the first method, you will need to download and install Microsoft PowerToys from the Microsoft Store, which is absolutely free. So I have already installed it. Let's go ahead and open it. Within Microsoft PowerToys, you'll find a variety of useful tools. To proceed, scroll down and select Text Extractor. So the Text Extractor works like a snipping tool but copies the text out of the selected region using OCR and puts it onto the clipboard. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. So to use it, we need to press Windows plus Shift plus T. Let's try it. Windows Shift plus T. And I'm gonna paste it on Notepad. Let's try another one. Let's try on YouTube videos as well. So this tool works really well. If you don't want to install any application, you can use the second method. In the second method, you need to visit this website. Once there, scroll down to the Image OCR section. Select the language you prefer. I'm going to keep it in English. Then upload your image. Finally, check the I'm not a robot checkbox and click Extract Text. Before copying the text, make sure to compare it with the image to ensure accuracy. In the third method, you need to log in to ChatGPT. Once logged in, upload your image and write a prompt asking to provide all the text from the image. So I'm going to write, give me all the text from this image. And here you can see that ChatGPT has extracted the text from the image. Now simply copy the text and use it wherever you like.